Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video. We have been getting lots of questions regarding Oxygen OS 12 stock applications from OnePlus, whether those applications are working on other OnePlus devices running Android 11 or Android 10. So here we are starting a new series in which we'll cover up all the updates related to applications and we'll show you all the changes and what all new features will be added in the future updates. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. And first of all, thank you so much guys for giving such an awesome support on a previous video. We have already crossed the like target of 300 likes. Let's keep a same like target on this video too. And as I say always, we have 82% of users who haven't subscribed to our channel. So it's a humble request, do consider subscribing and also press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. So here you can see I have two phones towards the left hand side. This is my OnePlus 8 which is running on the Oxygen OS 11 based on Android 11, and towards the right hand side here we have OnePlus 9 which is running on Oxygen OS 12 Open Beta 1. And these are the stock applications of both the OS. Like on Oxygen OS 11, these are the applications, stock applications from OnePlus, and here we have same applications on Oxygen OS 12. And guys, I've been continuously extracting applications and updating on a Telegram channel, or you can also find them on our website. And there are few Oxygen OS 12 applications which can be installed on other OnePlus devices running Android 10 or Android 11. So talking about the calculator application, so here calculator application on Oxygen OS 12 have been extracted and installed on Oxygen OS 11. So let me show you the app info first. And here you can see on Oxygen OS 12 app version is 2.1.25 and the same app version on Oxygen OS 11. So this application was extracted from Oxygen OS 12 and have been installed on Oxygen OS 11. So calculator app from Oxygen OS 12 have no issues running on Oxygen OS 11 or 10. And if I roll back to the previous version of calculator application, and here you can see the difference between both the applications. This is the application which we get to see on Oxygen OS 11, and here towards the right hand side this is on Oxygen OS 12. So not a major difference. First change what you're going to notice is related to font. On Oxygen OS 11 we can see slight thicker font. So this is a minor difference in the calculator app if you compare it with the Oxygen OS 11 versus Oxygen OS 12. And if I clear history on both the OS, here also you will see a slight change in the history section. On Oxygen OS 12 you can see the image of book, but on Oxygen OS 11 we have this satellite image, and here also you can see more colorful image on Oxygen OS 11. So now let's move on to the next application, which is clock. So I tried installing Oxygen OS 12 clock application on Oxygen OS 11, but I wasn't able to install it. So currently you can't install clock application on other OnePlus devices running Android 10 or Android 11. Let's take a look at the application here. On Oxygen OS 12, with the first impression, as soon as you open the clock application, you can see fonts are a bit smaller compared to Oxygen OS 11. And here on Oxygen OS 11 they have written alarms, but on Oxygen OS 12 it's only written alarm. Alarm fonts and other stuff remains same, and this color gets changed depending on the device essence color what you have set. Under world clock, here also we have a different clock to be seen. Timer section on Oxygen OS 11 seems to be a bit compact, and I think that's quite handy while using device with one hand. On Oxygen OS 12 they have almost taken 70% of the screen. And here under stopwatch also you can see slight difference with the stopwatch, and this gear icon have been moved towards the right top corner. Now talking about the third application, which is clone application. So this is an application which can be installed on any OnePlus smartphone running Android 10 or Android 12. So here I have installed the same version of clone application which I extracted from Oxygen OS 12. So here on both the devices we have similar app installed. Now talking about the next application, which is File Manager. So again, File Manager, I wasn't able to install it on my OnePlus 8 running Oxygen OS 11. So let's take a look at the difference between File Manager of Oxygen OS 11 with that of Oxygen OS 12. So here you can see the initial page of both the file managers. On Oxygen OS 12 there was no dedicated section for phone storage. It was just written that so much of storage is available. But on Oxygen OS 12 we now have a dedicated section of the same, and the same thing goes here. Here also you can see we have a lot of UI changes. On Oxygen OS 11 we had this small bar, but now on Oxygen OS 12 we have this thick bar with different color gradings. So yes, a major redesign over here. And after that you can see we had huge sections for stuff like documents, download, recents, and those were in the square shape. But on Oxygen OS 12 we can see smaller and circular icons. And later with Oxygen OS 12 here we have this option of private save. And if you take a look at the bottom side, on Oxygen OS 11 we had 3 options: category, storage, file dash. But here on Oxygen OS 12 we only have 2 options, which is recents and my files. If you tap on these 3 dots, we only get to see settings option on Oxygen OS 12, but on Oxygen OS 11 we get to see settings along with terms of service. And now let's move on to the next application, which is Notes. So here again, I wasn't able to install Notes application from Oxygen OS 12 on Oxygen OS 11. But let's take a look at the difference between both the applications. So soon you open the Notes application on Oxygen OS 12, we get to see some highlighted features. And tapping on Get Started, first change what you're gonna notice, on Oxygen OS 11 it's written Notes, but on Oxygen OS 12 it's written All Notes. These 3 dots and search option have been moved on the right top corner. Also we get the option to save our notes directly to the cloud. And for example, let's tap on the first option. You get to see a welcome note, which also shows how to use the category and other stuff. On the older version of Notes application, we only have this add icon, but on Oxygen OS 12 we have 2 options along with add icon. One is Notes and the second one is to-do list. So again, quite a handy add-on. Now let's move on to the next application, which is Photos. So here again you cannot install the photo application or gallery application from Oxygen OS 12 to Oxygen OS 11. Gallery application of Oxygen OS 12, we have lots of new add-ons done here. So for this, I'll be making a dedicated video in which I'll show you all the features of gallery application. Talking about UI changes, on Oxygen OS 11, we had this option to slide to different sections like Explore, Collection and Photos. Those slide option can still be used on Oxygen OS 12, but along with that you can also make selection by tapping on the categories given below. This is the first page of gallery application. So guys, stay tuned, a dedicated video on gallery application will be live soon. Then we have Recorder application, and the Recorder application from Oxygen OS 12 can be used on Oxygen OS 11. And the next application what we have here is the Weather application. So Weather application from Oxygen OS 12 can be installed on Oxygen OS 11 or Oxygen OS 10. Here you can see I've installed the same application on my OnePlus 8 running Oxygen OS 11. And the last application here on Oxygen OS 12 is the Zen Mode application. So here OnePlus have given a dedicated application of Zen Mode. I don't know why OnePlus gave the additional application for Zen Mode, because this feature is already implemented inside the system and that can be easily accessed from the quick setting tiles. So here you can see we have the Zen Mode quick setting tile, and the same Zen Mode quick setting tile is also present on Oxygen OS 12. Let's take a look at UI difference in Zen Mode on both the OS. So soon you open the Zen Mode application, we get this pop-up and I don't see any major change over here. Tapping on the profile icon, we have the same stuff, but we have few additional medals here in the Zen Mode of Oxygen OS 12. Under the settings, we have similar stuff. So guys, this was a quick look on the upcoming updates of OnePlus stock application, and also I have mentioned which all applications can be installed on Oxygen OS 11. I hope you guys will like this series. This is our episode 1. If we get a good support, then every week I'll try to make a video on updates of application and the changes done. So guys, as of now only this much in this video. I hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up, and also if you're new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.